Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yes, your answers should match mine. So what is the demand of the SLO? SLO wants us to differentiate and use regular and irregular verbs. In the previous classes and BLFs, we have discussed regular verbs, but today we will be focusing on the irregular verbs as well. Now, this is what your focus look like, but we are going to dive deeper. Yes, verbs are of two types, regular and irregular. So let's discuss what are regular verbs. Regular verbs are rule followers. They follow the rule. We have learned 4 rules in the previous BLIFT. And irregular verbs are shape shifters. They do not follow any rule. You just have to learn them by heart. Now let's revise the regular verbs. Regular verbs follow a strict, reliable set of instructions. When changing to the simple past and past participle form, they always follow the exact same prediction pattern. They simply add ed when we change them into past form. Remember that. Now, simple with the base form, we have to add ed to make them simple past and past participle because they both look alike. We have already discussed that. Now, let's look at this example. For example, jump is a base word. We add ed with it and it becomes jumped, either in the case of past or past participle. Same, if the base word is smile, we only have to add ed to make it past or participle. Now let's look at this example. If the base word is play, we only have to add ed to make it past or past participle. Same goes with here. If the base work is work, we only have to add ed to make it past or past participle. But this is not the case with the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow a regular pattern when you want to change them into past or past participle. They reject ed. They don't want ed to be added. They do not follow any rule. You just have to learn them. For example, sing is the base word. The second form is sang and the third form is sung. Same goes over here. Began is the base word, past form is began and the past participle form is begun. Now let's look at this example. Again, base word is fly, flown, flown, then choose, chose and chosen. So again, you are watching, they do not follow any rule. You just have to learn them by heart. Once again, these are the regular verbs when changed into past and these are the irregular verbs when changed into past. Now to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed 2 activities. One is there on your book and the other one is there on your workbook. You have to do it in the class with the help of your teacher. Then go home, do the homework with the help of your parent. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.